Barbecue chicken thighs. Smoked barbecue chicken thighs. Spanish rice. Baked beans. Little roll. Hope you enjoy. Where to start? Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Right? Mm-hmm.
I think everyone's more excited for your meatloaf tomorrow.
For the meatloaf tomorrow? I like grilling better, but it is what it is. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do all the stuff we see right now, or what we do that on the outside, like on the grill, on the fire
Me
pit.
personally, the best food you ever make this week, and looking at all the meals, has to be Tuesday.
Tuesday, the lamb.
Tacos.
What?
I
Tacos are
love
too basic.
tacos.
Mm-mm.
My
Mm-mm.
preference is probably the lamb.
Mm-hmm. The lamb came real good. 24 hours of marinating. Woo. Boy. And my secret sauce. And the meat is so soft, so juicy. Ooh.
Makes me want to take potential food.
Well, if you don't hurry up, I'm gonna eat his. Mm-hmm.